Looking to upgrade your car's audio without replacing your entire stereo? The Bluetooth 5.3 Aux Adapter offers a seamless way to add wireless convenience to your existing setup. With the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology, you get a faster, more stable connection with zero delay, covering up to 10 meters, ideal for home or car use. This adapter isn't just about connection speed. It features a multifunctional one-key control that lets you answer, hang up, or reject calls and easily manage your music playback. That means safer driving with hands-on control right at your fingertips, making it the perfect companion for any trip. What sets this adapter apart is its dual connection capability. You can pair two phones simultaneously, so sharing your favorite playlists or switching calls between devices is effortless. No more missing calls or fumbling with Bluetooth settings while on the road. Hands-free calling gets a clear upgrade, too. The built-in high-performance microphone delivers crisp sound quality, and voice navigation broadcasts directly through your car's speakers. This means you can keep your eyes on the road and still get turn-by-turn directions without distractions. Installation couldn't be simpler. This battery-free device plugs directly into your car's USB port for power and connects via a 3.5mm aux port to any non-Bluetooth stereo. It's truly plug-and-play, no complicated setup required. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of devices, from older car stereos and home speakers to amplifiers and wired headphones. This adapter breathes new life into your wired audio gear by turning it wireless, so you don't have to replace your trusted equipment. Users across the United States have praised its easy phone connection and reliable reconnection every time they start their car. One reviewer even mentioned it as a thoughtful gift idea for the holidays, practical and appreciated. If you want a simple, effective way to upgrade your audio experience with Bluetooth 5.3, this aux adapter is worth a look. It combines convenience, safety, and versatility in one small device. Try it when you're ready to enjoy wireless freedom on every drive.